guys, welcome back to FixGenie. In this video, I'll show you several solutions that can help fix vertical lines on laptop screen Lenovo. Option 1. First, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your display driver and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click Rollback Driver and check if the green line is gone. Option 2. Update the display driver. Go back to Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your display driver and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers and let Windows check for an available driver. Once the process is complete, close the window and restart your laptop. Option 3. Open Device Manager again and expand Display Adapters. Right-click your display driver and select Disable Device. Click Yes to confirm. Now right-click the same display driver again and select Enable Device. Check your screen to see if the green line has disappeared. Option 4. If the problem is still there, right-click your display driver and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the available display driver from the list and click Next. Wait for the installation to finish, then restart your laptop.